Hi guys and ladies, I found a recipe online that made my eyes pop. Creamy, cheesy, onion-crusted salmon. Well, there aren't any salmon here in Lake Ketchabigwon, but maybe it'll work with our fish. The challenge is trying to catch a fish through the ice. Let's see if we can do that. I'm gonna make my first cast right here off the dock. As usual in ice fishing, we'll start out with this. It's a little ice fishing jig for panfish, and on the end of it is a mealworm. Out there at the end of the dock is our shelter. We can fish right through the floor of the shelter in complete safety, so let's go ice fishing. If that doesn't work out, we'll have to walk out on the lake to where the fish are. I'm not catching anything in that shelter, so let's go walk out on the ice to where the fish really are. Come on. Six and a half inches here. Whoa. 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 Look at the size. Oh. I knew I felt something down there. Oh. I have one. Wow. Another monster! Oh, he swallowed the hook. I'll get it out. I have my ways. Ice fishing can really be boring, but when you do feel that subtle pull on the line, wow, what a thrill. I think I feel something. Ha! I do! All right. Wow! They're so big today. It's not that cold today, but the wind is 18 miles an hour, and it doesn't feel good. I got one. Whoa! What is this? Whoa! Wow! Another monster! What? Look at the size of these fish. Even though I'm catching fish, I still wish it were June. I wish I were fishing in Florida. Argentina is nice at this time of the year. Yes! I got one! Oh. Never mind. Cut! Hawaii would be nice. Australia would be nice. Tahiti. Let's get back in the house and fillet these fish. I'm freezing. Yeah, those will be enough. Plus what I have in the freezer. Yesterday, we had to walk to where the fish hang out, but it was worth it. Look, we got over 3/4 of a pound of these beautiful bluegill fillets. And look, I have more from the freezer. So let's get started on our cheesy onion-crusted bluegill. I'm supposed to finely grate mozzarella cheese. Well, how can you grate such a soft cheese? So I'm using fontanella, actually. It's a type of fontina. Nutty flavor, but also a much sharper than mozzarella. Not as sharp as Parmigiano. Look, I've got all our fillet spread out on this nonstick foil, and all I'm going to do is salt and pepper one side. Now I'm going to set our oven to 425. Now let's put these aside for a minute and make a rich topping for our salmon. I mean bluegill. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, chopped onion, lemon juice. Let's do that. There's about a half cup of mayo. This is going off the script, but look, I've got a whole container, 8 ounces of chopped red onions here. Here's a big half of a lemon, and I'm going to try to get 2 tablespoons. Oh my goodness. Easily 2. Now I need some minced garlic, but you know how lazy I am. Let's put a heaping teaspoon from the jar. Doesn't fit. It won't fit. I need a tablespoon, but the tablespoon won't fit. Haha, I did it. Okay, now we've got a tablespoon of our Dijon mustard in there. Now I'm mixing everything together. I don't know, I've never done this before. Let's just dollop this on. Oh, it smells so good. I think this recipe was originally Russian. It had those weird, like, what do you call them? Acrylic or something, letters in there. Look, I'm done. Now, remember our finely shredded fontina-like cheese? Let's put this on top. Ooh, how can it be bad? This is so much better than mozzarella or even Parmesan. We're done. All I'm going to do is pop this in the oven for 8 minutes. While our fish is cooking away in the oven, I need to tell you all, the famous celebrity restaurant and food critic, Miss Lulu Cheeks, is about to arrive here for dinner tonight. You probably know, though, that I've been pursuing her for decades, yet she seems reluctant to even mention marriage. We've got different interests, and I don't think she appreciates my knowledge and abilities and my skill in fishing. It's been 8.5 minutes. Let's see what we've got. Wow, it looks great. Smells even better. I just set our oven to broil. Let's let it get up to speed. Our broiler is up to speed. I'm putting this in the broiler for 2 minutes. It's been under that broiler for 2 minutes. Let's see what happened. It browned it beautifully. It sure looks good. We'll find out soon enough. I examined the fish closely, and the thicker parts look a little bit shiny. So I put it back under the broiler. I don't want any shininess. 2 more minutes. Oh yeah. I know it's cooked thoroughly now. I made a salad I didn't show you. It's very simple. Let me just taste some of this fish. Oh, I like it. Oniony, cheesy. Everything is good about this. It's hard to describe. It's just good. Well, here we are again with the famous celebrity restaurant and food critic, Miss Lulu Cheeks. And thank you so much for joining me here at my downtrodden double wide. And you had a chance to dine on my avocado salad, which I didn't show in the video, and my cheesy onion-crusted bluegill. So what did you think?
They were both very good. You know, the avocado was just right. Good stage of ripeness, and the tomatoes and onions were lovely. And the cheese-crusted bluegill was delicious.
It was tasty.
Yes,
I like that coating.
Yes, it was very good.
Thank you.
Just right. Yes,
thank you. That was a salmon recipe.
Yeah.
How do you say that Russian language thing?
Cyrillic.
Cyrillic. That's just the way I said it, too. You know, Miss Cheeks, I can say Lulu now. I don't know if you appreciate the sport of fishing enough. There's an old saying, give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. And teach him how to fish, and you know what?
He'll sit in a boat and drink beer all day.
What? Can I have a hug?